YouTube, how the heck is going? So I'm putting a hold on it, my injectors. You're gonna see this at a later date, the injector install, but just know the injectors are being installed. I forgot to order one thing, and that was the top hats for the injectors, since I am going to a bigger size. So since that has to go on the back burner, I'm gonna install my sunroof block off. So I got my self tappers. I know, not the right way to do it, but it's an easy way to do it and the cheap way to do it. And the aluminum's up there already cut and already placed where I want it, and let's get it started. So I'm gonna make sure I'm completely square on how I had it before, so nothing lifts up. There. That one was put our first one in. There's one. Now we need 100 more to go. I'm gonna get the other side and at least do all the centers and all the ends. If you guys want to know why I'm using self tappers instead of doing it with rivets, is if I ever want to take this off, I don't have to drill out more holes, like if I ever decide to paint the car. So I'm going to add a couple more around and we'll call it there. Bitch. I knew that was gonna happen. I fucking knew it. That one was fairly easy. And my last one. Alright. So now that's on there, show you guys a closer look. I know you see these little gaps, but again, I am gonna take these off again, and I'm gonna lay a little bead of silicone or some type of adhesive to lay this down, because if I ever do park it outside or if it starts raining, I don't want any water running anyways. So yeah, we'll get it all smooth, all laid down. Right now, this is where it's gonna stay. Get the other side. Lay it all down. Even then, I could probably trim this up, get it closer to these screws if I really wanted to. But I don't mind it where it's at. Also, guys, this isn't a show car. This isn't always a how-to. You do this at your own risk. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. So, to where you see one here. I can follow that down. One right there. One there. But I don't think I see any more. Oh man, on this side I got a couple. But you got a race car, guys. Y'all know I'm just kidding about the whole race car thing. It's just a joke. It ain't a real race car. It is a Honda. But this thing got some potential. But like I said, I wanted to let you guys see the new edition. I got this out here. Walk in. You got your light up here. I got some new lights to stop from. I used to get that flicker where you can see those black lines. Then I added, well, you guys already know this OG, but this is gonna be my work area. So I want to be able to put some like racks up here, like how this is. So if I ever need to store car parts, I could do it there instead of like hiding it in the house. I'm gonna add a couple more tables so I could have like workbenches. I'm just trying to figure out what to do with this because I want these pushed out a little bit more. Like, I want this pushed out a little bit more. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that right now. So I wanted to be able to where I can set my table in here. This is up against here. This is up against here. This gives a little bit of space. And then I can have my workbench here. Try to get some more square footage. Also, this is where the bike's gonna go because I don't ride that thing very often. Ever since I broke my back, it's just been terrible trying to ride that thing. So yeah, so all the way through. I am gonna probably put something right here, but I think I might leave it open because I want to add like fans, maybe, or put like an AC system like right here. I don't know. I haven't gotten that far yet, but I know I'm debating about leaving this open. And yeah, like I said before, I want to be able to work out of there. You know, I want to be able to do everything. If I have to, you know, cut something, grind something, ball something, I'm not, you know, this close to the car where if the table's here, I'm stuck like this, or I'm having to use the car as a seat, and you know, I don't want to sit on this thing, guys. But it is a short episode. I started doing all this stuff off camera, you know, cut that out, got it painted, you know, while I was trying to do this. And you know, I wanted to see how the workspace would be if I worked out of there and there, so I cut that out, did all that shit, I might have some clips of it. I'm not 100% sure. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.